In this video, how to enable the developer mode on an Android smartphone or tablet. First, we will enable it on a Samsung smartphone. Open Settings on your device. Select About Phone. Select Software Information. Tap build number 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Now, go back to the main settings page, then the developer options should be available now. The steps on an Android tablet. And steps on a Xiaomi smartphone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.